Future with AWS AI. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to take your first step into the exciting world of artificial intelligence on AWS? In today's video, we are diving deep into the AWS AI Practitioner Certification, a game changer for anyone looking to explore AI and machine learning with Amazon Web Services. Let's get started. AWS AI Practitioner Certification, your gateway to AI mastery. So, what exactly is the AWS AI Practitioner Certification? Think of it as your gateway to understanding the foundational concepts of AI and machine learning on AWS. It's designed for beginners, so even if you're not a tech wizard, don't worry. This certification equips you with the knowledge to grasp AI services, their applications, and how they can transform businesses. Why this certification could be your next big move. Here's why this certification is worth your time and effort. First, it's tailored for individuals from both technical and non-technical backgrounds. Whether you're a business professional, an aspiring data scientist, or an IT pro wanting to upskill, this certification has something for everyone. Second, it's a stepping stone to more advanced AWS certifications. And third, the demand for AI professionals is skyrocketing. This certification adds serious weight to your resume. What knowledge awaits you in this certification? Let's talk about what you'll learn. The certification covers key areas like Times fundamentals of machine learning and AI. Times an introduction to AWS AI services such as LEX, Poly, and Transcribe. Times real-world use cases and best practices for implementing AI solutions. By the end of your preparation, you'll not only understand AI concepts but also know how to apply AWS tools to solve real business challenges. Acing the exam, your preparation blueprint. Now, here's the part you've been waiting for: how to ace the exam. Start with AWS's official training materials and white papers. The AWS Skill Builder platform offers free courses to get you started. Then, dive into hands-on labs to gain practical experience with AWS services. And don't forget to practice with sample questions and mock exams to build your confidence. AWS AI in action, real-world transformations. Before we wrap up, let's look at some real-world applications of AWS AI, from powering chatbots with Amazon LEX to analyzing customer sentiment with Comprehend. Businesses across industries are leveraging AWS AI to drive innovation. Imagine the possibilities you can unlock with these skills. Your AI journey starts here. And there you have it. A complete overview of the AWS AI Practitioner Certification. Ready to take the plunge into AI? Start your journey today and open doors to endless opportunities. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights.